Yes, the wind blows a little bit colder, and we're all getting older, and the clouds are moving on with every autumn breeze. Peter Pumpkin just became fertilizer, and my leaves a little sadder and wiser. That's why I rely on certain certainties. Yes, some things never change, like the feel of your hand in mine. Some things stay the same, like how we get along just fine, like an old stone wall that will never fall. Some things are always true. Some things never change, like how I'm holding on tight to you. The leaves are already falling, so when it feels like the future is calling, are you telling me tonight you're gonna get down on one knee? Yeah, but I'm really bad at pulling these rings out, like candlelight and pulling of rings out. Maybe you should leave all the romantic stuff to me. Yeah, some things never change, like the love that I feel for her. Some things stay the same, like how reindeers are easier, but if I commit and I go for it, I know what to say and do right. Some things never change when the pressure is all on you. The winds are restless. Could that be why I'm hearing this call? Is something coming? I'm not sure I want things to change at all. These days are precious, can't let them slip away. I can't freeze this moment, but I can still go out and seize this day. Plenty that stands for the good and the many, and I promise you the flag of KFP will always fly. A flag will always fly. A flag will always fly. Some things never change, turn around and the time has flown. Some things stay the same, though our future remains unknown. May your good luck last, may your past be past. Time's moving fast, change, like I'm holding on tight to you.